Okay, let's try to factor number 35. Start off by noticing that each term can be divided by 4, and also that each term has at least an x squared in it, and that's all common, so we can pull that out. So we're going to start off by taking this 4x squared out, dividing through, and we have x squared plus 5x and our y, and we have a minus 6y squared. So we've started to factor it, but if we look a little bit closer, we notice that we have a square term and the value of x at the first, and we have a y squared here. So let's see if we can factor like we would a normal quadratic. Still going to use our same rules. We're going to need to find something that multiplies to get a negative 6y squared, and at the same time adds to get 5y. So I'm thinking 6 and 1 in some fashion. 6 minus 1 of course is 5, but we need one of these to be negative, so we'll assign the negative value to 1, and actually there's going to be a y here and a y there. And when we FOR that out to check it, it should make sense. Let's see here. So we have x plus 6y, and we have an x minus a 1y. So if you examine it a little closer to check it, you FOIL this back out and you'll get x squared, so that part checks out. If you distribute x times negative y, you get a negative y. And then when you do the inside terms, you get a positive 6xy. And this should be an x and a y, sorry. So if you combine these two like terms, the quantity is 5, so that part checks out. And then finally, when you multiply the last term times the last term, you get your negative 6y squared. So hopefully that'll help you out a little bit. And let's take a look at another one in the next video.